all eminent and esteemed members who have joined us today. The warm welcome to esteemed members from Tamil Nadu Cube Association.
Good morning, everybody. Do you know you all belong to a very, very unique and very just like 0.0.0.1% of world's population can solve the cube.
Exactly.
So
The problems of puzzles are very near to the problems of life.
Hola, bonjour, namaste. Hello everyone, I'm Prerna.
And this is Shrestha, here to guide you through today's proceedings of International Rubik's Cube Competition 2020. Now, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. E. Narona, to address the gathering with a few words.
hello, everyone, and all the children. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Shashank. And it's really an honor I'm witnessing something different after 2016. Children, I'm so glad to tell you all, Mind Sports Festival takes place, an initiative by schools are very rare. In fact, this is the first one.
Today, amongst us, we have a 7-year-old child prodigy who was declared by Tamil Nadu Cube Association as the world's youngest genius, solving maximum 22 digits, nine-folded and reciting poems in the least time.
I would like to welcome Delhi Public School to give me a wonderful opportunity.
Oh, she's performing blindfold. Oh my, look at that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Sarah. The new education policy talks about art integration. Beautiful art integration here where the child was reciting a poem created, scripted by her mom and completed the algorithm on the Rubik cube.
यतोऽनन्तशक्तेरनन्ताश्च जीवा यतो निर्गुणाद प्रमेया गुणास्ते.
Dance is the joy of movement and heart of life. It has the power to rejuvenate us with such positivity even in the dullest of days. Now, hold your breath for a dance performance by Krisha of Class 8A.
Kolubide Ganapati Ganaduti Anukuto Shubhamidi.
158 the videos and the candidature we receive from total 7 states of India, as ma'am already said, and other countries like USA, Hong Kong, Singapore, Oman, etc.
Oh my, her hands are moving faster than the way I'm. It's moving faster than the all, and proud as a principal to have a student pass school, acing it at the international level. Congratulations, Mohammed Zaid.
Congratulations.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Well done. May your
so much.
parents and teachers and us be proud.
I'm really glad I won.
Very happy.
I'd really like to thank the organizers of this event and our dear principal ma'am, Sunita ma'am. Also our physical director, Shashank sir. and everyone else present here, all the competitors who made this competition possible, and for allowing me to express my talents and my abilities. So thank you, everyone.
Well said, Mohammed.
DPS Nacharam also has picked up a cause to make India even more intelligent, even more logical, their logical mind to develop.